So over the years, people watching my videos have come, few people have said, dude, clean out your garage. So I've done a fairly good job so far. I went and bought a shop vac. So I've got the bikes there, taped down the carpet there so it doesn't move around, cleaned up the workbench a bit, actually got rid of most of the junk. I just have to I got to get some more storage space. And then, you know, organize my tools and stuff. So yeah, that's what I did in between conference calls today. So got a little bit left, but pretty good. Got a workbench area now. What I'm gonna do is get a new tabletop that's gonna go over that, add a little more strength to it, clean it up, and then get a new vise and stuff like that, and put a little drill press over there in the corner. And then those shelves are eventually gonna come out. I'm gonna get a retractable, so I don't have that cord on the floor. We're gonna put it up there, because I do have an outlet up there that's on its own circuit. So when we, you know, when you build a house, they only give you so many whatchamacallits, but I actually had them put its own 20 amp circuit. Those two are on a 20 amp circuit. That one's GFCI. There's an outlet over there that's on a 20 amp circuit, and then the one over here, and there's one behind there. They're all on their separate 20 amp circuits. So if you got a space heater and tools and things going, you don't pop the breaker. At least the breaker's close by. But what I'm gonna do is get a retractable power extension cord, put it up there, and then mount it to the brackets, those steel brackets there. We're gonna put some shelves up here because we got like 12-foot ceilings. So I could put some shelves up above there for all of this kind of stuff that you don't need too often. And then what's gonna go here? Tire machine, the air compressor will go over there. So we have power, and then the air, we'll have a tire machine, and then a balancer, just like you'd have at like a cycle place, the one where you put the wheel on and it spins it and balance it. And then there's gonna be a lift here that'll also plug into the air compressor. So instead of just having a wheel chock, pull the bike up on the lift that has a wheel chock built in, and then push a button, a pedal, and lift up and work on the bikes. May take a while for that because lift is like $800, and the tire machine and all that stuff's a couple grand, and well, that I can do at least. But for those of you that have made snide comments like, hey, your garage looks like shit, it's a mess. It's getting there. We cleaned it up quite a bit. And still got to find some places for things. Problem is, this is a big house. We got a lot of stuff, but it's on a slab. It's not on a we don't have a basement. So our storage is limited. So, but we'll get that straightened out. Get some more stuff in here. I've got all the junk out of here. Now we got to go through and purge and decide what do we actually need to keep. What we keep is going to go up there on some shelves and over there. And that'll free up that whole section. All that crap will be gone. And then I can put the tire machine and stuff like that. So anyway, Dave's Garage. I'm gonna start doing more videos of tutorials, oil changes, brake pad changes, wheels, when we're cleaning oil filters, or air filters rather, on the different bikes, how to get to the air filter, how to clean it. Gonna start doing more motorcycle service, maintenance type stuff, do some videos, set up a camera on a tripod, and I'm gonna do a bunch more mods rather than me just talking about them and stuff like that. So anyway, that's what's going on, and that's what's coming soon to the channel. But for Officer Mike and my wife, I'm hoping that you're happy with the cleaning job that took place. It's still got a ways to go, but it is a vast improvement. It'll be nice. I can actually find shit now. All my tools are back where they're supposed to be and sorted, and all the ratchets and sockets are in order and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, there's the update for today.